premium in percent of GDP is called? The options are A. Premium GDP ratio, B. Insurance density, C. Premium per capita, or D. Insurance penetration. The next question is, the Employers' Liability Act was passed in the year. The options are A. 1956, B. 1938, C. 1854, or D. 1880. The next question is, which of the following companies commenced its business in July 1957? The options are A. Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India Limited, B. Life Insurance Corporation of India, C. General Insurance Corporation, or D. New India Assurance Company Limited. Which of the following is not true? The options are A. All losses above 20,000 rupees are to be surveyed by licensed surveyors. B. National Insurance Academy was established in 1980. C. Loss assessors are empaneled by IRDAI. Or D. Agricultural Insurance Company of India Ltd was established with aim of promoting crop insurance business. The next question is, a reinsurance company that sells reinsurance is called? The options are A. Retrocessionaire, B. Retrocedent, C. Original Insurer, or D. General Insurance Company.